Hello. The new update on Facebook Pic and Instagram app on Shopify. If you still use this app for tracking your conversion API and MetaPixel, that's not work right now. This is the one of these the dataset I connected with this store, and this is their Facebook Pixel ID 64 and the last one is 506. So if I show you the same database on here, so this is the same pixel id 64506 same data sets, but here is the manage integration. If you click on here, then you see here is not any conversion API. So that's mean these pixel are not working perfectly, this app are not working perfectly. That's why we are using the step server, and this is the step server we are using right now for this website and connecting to through Google Tag Manager. And using this custom parameter, we just need to set up all things. So then our all conversion API will connect it perfectly on here. So now let me show you one other things on here. I already set up one the gser pixels. So on here, if I show you, then you will get these this all are coming from Google's here is the manage integration. If I show you, then here is you see the conversion API. This is called the gser pixels, and I set up through Google Tag Manager. And if I show you on here, then you will see browser and server is all are showing perfectly on here. I set up also some the click to scroll add to cart, and some other page visit is perfectly set up on here as a view item, view cart. So this is called initiate checkout. So this is the all setup browser and server. The most important is connecting to the conversion API, otherwise your CPM will be high, your cost will be high, your ad spending will be so many charges Facebook will get from here, and you do not get the better result only for this conversion API. So make sure that just go here to just click the manage integration, and then make sure your conversion API successfully work. That's the very important for your Facebook ads. Right now here is I'm just going in one here to again to the baby babes. So this is this is still connected this app on here, and here is we see the manage integration is only the metapixels. So if you still using this app, just remove it and connect it to Google Tag Manager and the step server. I think this video is helpful for you for our new updates. Thank you so much.